You are the gentle borrow light, the ghost of the midday sun, a pearl within the velvet dark when all the work is done. You pull the tides of oceans, you pull the tides of blood, a silent silver goddess in a world of shadow flood. The lover's secrets, you hear the poet's sighs, the comfort of the lonely who look up with heavy eyes, changing faces, waxing, waning, cycle of the soul. In your broken silver crescent, you make the spirit whole. The dark and quiet stream. Thank you for the softness, for the peace you bring tonight, for teaching us that even dark can hold a holy light. The stars are but your courtiers, the clouds are but your lace. There is a strange and healing calm upon your cratered face. You guide the nocturnal hunters, you guard the infant's sleep, a promise that the universe has promises to keep. Pale and distant, yet so near, dissolving every midnight ghost and every hidden fear. Wisdom of the ancient night, feminine and deep, watching over all the world while the weary people sleep. The dark and quiet stream. Thank you for the softness, for the peace you bring tonight, for teaching us that even dark can hold a holy light. When the world is loud and bright, I long for your soft glow, to find the quiet rhythms that the dreaming creatures know. I thank you for the mystery, the silence, and the silver, for the peace that only you in darkness can deliver. If